most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Hi, everybody. It is great to be with all of you on this. I almost said Friday. Not Friday. Yeah, Friday Thursday. Maybe it is Friday for some of you out there. Long Easter weekend is upon us. We've got some clouds overhead here in Hershey, 65 degrees, a dew point of 65. So this actually, by the way, feels a little summer-like out there with some clouds and some fog around with dew points in the mid-60s. Yesterday, we almost did it. 79 degrees, and many of us were well into the 80s. The record high today is 89, set back in 2010. We will not be hitting that today. Our yearly departure right at 3.5 inches after a little bit of rain yesterday. So these were yesterday's temperatures at around 5 p.m. There's some anomalies. Chambersburg was warmer than 63. But when we look at the data, we could clearly see that front I was talking about, that backdoor front keeping places like Reading and Lebanon and Tower City in the 60s. Allentown, 53 yesterday in the late afternoon. Harrisburg was at 74, but look at Lancaster, York, Carlisle, Gettysburg. Gettysburg was 85 yesterday. And that's why I mentioned I thought that 80 would be the floor for many spots. The airport almost did it at 79 degrees, but it was a warm afternoon across the region. And we should sneak into the 70s again here today ahead of this front. Now, we don't expect a lot of rain. There will be some showers at times today. 62 in Chambersburg right now. We have temperatures in the 50s. We're going to get a leap in these numbers here ahead of the front. D.C. at 74 and then cooling off again tonight. So not much change on our 24-hour temperature change map. A lot of times we show this in the morning. We're up and down, pretty much even with where we were yesterday. The front right now back across the Ohio Valley and into the Great Lakes. We will see some showers redevelop along this front for us this afternoon, and some severe weather just off to our south as a few thunderstorms are expected to blow up here where it is warmer. And I think it's going to be very toasty in D.C. and along the D.C.-Baltimore corridor today. They do expect some nasty thunderstorms. But for us, it's going to be a breezy day. Temperatures will be in the 70s, a few showers ahead of the front this afternoon, and then cooling off and staying breezy here tonight and into the weekend. So where is the severe weather risk today? It looks like it is just south of D.C., actually, across the southern Delmarva Peninsula into Virginia. Damaging winds and some hail. No tornado risk today, and we stay north of that threat. In fact, watch. Today, kind of a mostly cloudy day. There may be some peaks of sunshine. In the afternoon, there could be a few showers around, but they will quickly go by the wayside for the evening hours. Notice where the storms do blow up, again, right where that risk area will be. So we clear things out, or at least try to. I do think tonight is going to be rather cloudy, and now, because that front gets held up along the East Coast, I do expect it to stay rather cloudy tomorrow with only peaks of sunshine. Saturday looks a little bit better with mostly sunny skies, some thin cirrus clouds overhead, but the weekend still looks pretty good. You'll notice the rainfall today, sparse, maybe 1/4 of an inch at best. Most of us seeing just around 1/10 of an inch from a few afternoon showers. It does turn breezy as the front moves through, 10 to 20 mile-an-hour winds, and it stays breezy tonight and during the day on Friday as we are on the other side of the front. And it's going to be cooler, too. Look at the extended outlook. That's the other issue here. Temperatures are going to be in the mid-70s, but by tomorrow, we dip down into the 50s, and we stay there for the weekend. So Easter weekend does look cooler. Check it out. Only 54 on Saturday. Remember, the average now is 60 degrees. 58 on Sunday. We do start to trend back in the right direction early next week. 75 today, early afternoon. Some stray showers this afternoon and breezy. Tonight, 45. So we do cool down with mostly cloudy skies. And tomorrow now, only partly sunny. There will be a few clouds around. It's going to be breezy and cool. Allie, unfortunately, we do stay cool this weekend, but we're still thinking it's going to be sunny and dry. You'll just need the jacket when you head out the door. And then next week, we get a rebound again. And look at that stretch of sunny weather.
Ooh.
Pretty quiet, so we're back into the 70s by
So
the middle part of next week.
just take a little dip this weekend.
Just a little dip, and you know, it's spring. You're going to have that, but it still looks pretty pleasant overall.
All right, thank you, Brett. It is time for this morning's Social